Hello guys, welcome to my channel Netcast on Web Tech Zone. So in this video tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can, flip shapes in Canva. So I'm going to show you three methods that you can use as per your requirement. Okay. So let's start with the video, and at the end, if you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe my channel, and don't forget comments below. So let me start with the video. Okay guys, so here we are. This is my Canva app. So let me take one blank page. Okay. And I'm going to put shape now. I just need to go in elements and we need to type shapes. So here you can see all shapes, so I just take one. Okay, I just take this one. Okay, this is my shape. Okay, I just maximize the size. Okay, you can see if I write any text here. Okay, if this is my text and this is my shape. Okay, so let me write something. Okay, once you click on text element here, you can see in Canva there is an option called flip. Okay. Okay, so not text, let me take one image. Okay. Okay, here you can see there is a one option where you can use easily flips like vertical, horizontally, but when you're talking about the any shapes or text, so Canva still now there is no any options available to flip for any shapes and text, I think. Okay, so I will show you 2 3 methods or trick that you can use, and you can easily that flip your shapes or text. First, you can select that shape and you can use this, yeah, what you can say, icon, and just click and hold it and simply drag like this. You can simply drag or scroll 360-degree, and you can simply keep the position which you want, like this. Okay, so this is the first method. The second method, simply select yours, copy yours that shape, add the another blank page, put there, just maximize the size like this. Now go to the share, go to see all, and just click on copy to clipboard. You have to select that. Okay, so we have select second page, copy the clipboard. This clipboard will be copied. Now just is copied. Okay, copy now. Now come to your original first page and paste here. Now this clipboard has been pasted. Now you can delete that another page. Okay, now you can just remove the background. Okay, and just crop it if you want, crop the size. Okay, done. Now we have this shape, and this is our original shape. Okay, and this is our we just created that shape. Okay, so you can see this shape, the original shape, and we have created this copy clipboard shapes. Okay, but you can see this is actually now we have converted this shape into the image. Okay, so here you can see once you click that element, shapes, the flip option are available. Now you can simply flip horizontally or vertically like this. Okay, and the third method is just, okay, keep your shape on one page, blank page, and just increase the size like this. Same, go to the share, download as a png. Now you need to download it with transparent background and download it. After download, you need to upload again. Here just upload the file. Okay, so this was my shape. Okay, this was shape name. So just select this and open it, so it will be start uploading here. Okay, now just select and put on your page. Now same process as I show you on second method. You can crop it like this. Okay, and flip from here. Okay, so I hope you like this video. Please subscribe me. Thank you for watching.